You're in a big trouble.
Now you're really in a big trouble.
Oh, now you're really, really in a big trouble. Amadou! Get up. I'm going to have to send you back to Monaco under maximum security. What? It's just a pillow.
That's the oldest trick in the book, Commandante. Every bambino in Italy knows that one.
Maybe, but do they know about the old escape hole behind the innocent looking poster? The secret tunnel under the bed. Get this thing out of the way. Let's go. This secret tunnel is a dead end.
There's nothing but bed springs and a mattress.
Was that the sound of a cell door closing?